Okay, now we're going to move on to the supermarket trolley tensioner. It's probably one of the easiest bits of kit to use. Again, you could be asked to use this for supermarket trolley or sillages in a hard-sided vehicle. So you basically pick it up, and with your left hand, hold it with your right hand there. With your left hand, you can see my thumb's just on that ramped part of the ratchet. My right hand's not holding it, the only thing that's holding it is that there. With a flat hand and not closed, we're basically going to get keeping the tension on the left hand, and it does get quite a lot of tension behind it, pushing it with your right hand. That's now on there safely. Okay, it's exactly in reverse. Put left hand onto the handle to take the tension off, and this notch lever here, just get it past it. Again, putting the right hand back on flat, and again putting my left hand with my thumb around that ramped part of the ratchet. Again, taking the nice and controlled safely. Again, the only thing that's holding that on there is my thumb. If I take my thumb off, that comes off there. Okay, so remember, that's for the supermarket trolleys or steel stillages.